Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the CEO and founder of a company called CourseCREEK. For 7 years, we've been doing two very primary things for our partners, and that's what these emails are about. One, fundamentally, what we do is we deliver and provide the services that your clients and your subscribers need that you don't provide. Namely, what that typically means, since we're usually working with EdTech companies, is we're providing instructional design and development for your clients. We're providing LMS implementation, development, and support work on your platform. And we provide lead generation, inbound and outbound marketing. We partner with you to be your value-added outsource referral partner to provide these services, again, to your clients and to your subscribers. Now, in doing so, what that does, it allows you to provide to your clients a bundled solution, a full solution. So they don't have to run away to somebody else that you don't know and you don't trust to provide the instructional design or build on your platform. We'll do that for you, okay? And we look like a team together, right? The other thing that happens from this is it lowers your churn because you are referring us and it appears to be and truly is a combined all-in-one solution with one team. Also, with our program, we can pay you for the referrals. I understand that some companies don't want to do that or don't care about that, but if that's interesting to you, this can be a lucrative side hustle of revenue as well. It doesn't cost anything to be our partner. All we're looking for is an opportunity, again, to deliver the services that you don't deliver, that you don't care to deliver for your existing clients so they get more value out of working with you and your partners. Now, the one other thing that we do for our partners is this special arrangement that I just described means that oftentimes we find ourselves in front of your potential customers, people that haven't purchased your services before but have expressed interest. They're high intent, they're on the 20-yard line, so to speak, and they're interested in your service, but they want to talk to another trusted third party and get an opinion. So what happens quite often is we find ourselves not only referring to our services, selling our services to your future customers, but selling your platform as well. It happens all the time. And after doing this for 7 years, we've become very good at closing deals and business for our EdTech partners because of this arrangement. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, just book a meeting with me and I look forward to introducing you to our team and so that you can learn more about how we can work together. Thank you.